Ganyan ba ta?
Oh no!
So, ganyan siya. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Eve, and for today's video, I'm going to try putting on eyelashes for the first time. So this is the first time that I'm going to try to put on false eyelashes. If you have seen my Shopee haul video, I mentioned that I purchased a false eyelashes, but it didn't come with free eyelash glue. So I had to purchase a separate glue for that. And ito na siya. Dumating na finally. And so this is the eyelash glue. Mura lang to actually. Nabili ko lang siya sa Shopee. And then syempre, me being extra, I bought another set of false eyelashes, which is mas manipis kumpara dito sa nauna kong nabili. Diba? Ito kasi parang this one is for something like full glam, but this one you can wear it on a daily basis if you have the time to put eyelashes. Mas manipis. This is more more natural looking compared to this one. So I'm gonna try, I think I'm going to try this. So I'm really excited. I don't know how to put this on. Bahala na. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm removing it from the tray. So ito siya. Ang haba. It's so long. I don't know. It doesn't look natural to me anymore. So I'll just get one piece. I'm just getting one piece. By the way, I have diba? I have complete accessories. So I'll just get the first one, which I cannot get. Okay, there you go. Oh my god. Look, it's so kapal. I don't know. Paano ba to? Hindi ko So, medyo sticky na siya. So, I'm going to paano ba? I need a mirror to do this. So, this is not a tutorial, by the way. This is so... Oh my god. Ganyan ba? Diyos ko, ang bigat. It's so heavy. Okay, so I just have to maybe push it. Oh my god. So ito naman, I was able to stick it in, but this one, look. Oh my god, ang hirap pala nito. This is hard, you know. It takes a lot. Hindi ko na alam bakit ganun. Ayaw niyang makisama. Okay. There. I really need more glue. Wait, I'll put more glue. So I'm putting glue. I don't know how many or how much you should put, but I'm putting, you know, a generous amount of glue just to make sure that it'll stick. I don't know what this is for. So you just have to let it dry for a while, maybe after 3 days. Okay, so here we go again. Why is it so extra? I mean, it's super long. Look. This is super long. Oh my god, it's kind of itchy. I don't know if that is normal. Is that normal? Oh, I think it's something is poking in my eye and I'm getting teary. You know. Look. Is this how it's supposed to look like? I can't open my eyes wide. Makati siya actually. Parang tumutusok siya sa mata ko. I don't know where it should, you know, stick. Let's put the other one. Ganyan bata. So, ganyan siya. Paano ba? So, this is... There's something wrong with this eye. I don't know. I think I need more glue again. Sige. So, if I'm going to perfect it, baka I can put this regularly. I don't know how is the correct way of putting it. If you are an expert when it comes to using this, can you please help me in the comment section? Let me know what I'm doing wrong. Let me know, because I really don't know what I'm doing wrong at the moment. As you can see, it's kind of flying away from my eye. It's like wings that can take me somewhere. Okay. I think it's too high. Why is it too high? Medyo mataas, no? Okay, I'll close my eyes and try to put it. Is this the correct way to put it? Let me know. What? Wow. It's so long. Oh my god. This is not something that I can wear on a daily basis, because this is so exaggerated and it's so extra, you know. It's like when you're trying to do drag, this is how I feel like it, or I don't know. And it's not really good. It doesn't feel right on my eye. I feel like there's a shed on top of my eye, so I cannot. Maybe it's like a sun visor, so if I'm outside, I can look straight to the sun because of this. And it's kind of heavy, you know. The reaction that you're seeing from me is really, really genuine, because this is the first time that I have tried false eyelashes, and I don't know, I feel like I'm gonna cry, not because of happiness and tears of joy, but because of the itchiness that I feel. I don't know why. Is this really normal to feel itchiness? Let me know in the comments, kasi Yeah, let me know in the comments if this is normal because I don't know. But overall, I had fun, you know, putting the false eyelashes. I feel like a mammoth, you know, because mammoths have long eyelashes, diba? My God! Oh, look, I have muta. You know, in Tagalog, muta is the solid form of your tears. I don't know what it's called in English, but yeah. It's so itchy. I really wanted to scratch my eyes right now. Okay, at least it's easier to remove. That's a good part. That is the good part. You can remove it easily. Overall, the experience of putting eyelashes for the first time is somehow fun, but it's a struggle. So those of you who are experts in putting on false eyelashes, I salute you because you're really great. I think I love the effects on my eyes. It makes my eyes look more alive and it makes my eyes pop out of my face. Yeah, so I love it. So I have a separate video where I do all my makeup. I also have a separate video on how to do my eyebrows and also how to apply eyeshadow. So if you're interested to learn more about makeup, just go to this playlist that I'm going to show in my screen. So yeah, just click on that playlist and I hope to see you there.